Welcome to my channel. This is Mallu with you. Today we are going to checking out a Elzett 700 series Mortic lock. It's made in Hungary. Actually, I got this lock from my store. It's very old. I don't know how old it is. Let's check it out. I think it's from 2006. This lock is good for wooden door and steel doors. It's dual stage locking with dual side key. You can operate from both sides. It's a strong lock. The interesting part, let's check it out, how it's work and what is inside. It's a habit from the childhood. If I get something, I want to know how it's work. I'm always opening. It's a guard. What is gold? But still the grease is there. It's not opened for last more than 20 years. But still good condition. If you don't subscribe to my channel, please subscribe it. If you subscribe, you will get my new interesting videos like this. Please press the bell button also. Let's check it out how it's work. First section, second one, it's a solid lock. Let's close it back. Thank you for watching.